looking at my brother hallucinating. Mntana sikhaya mahlangana nezidulu yaphahla. Mama tata uyababiza. Mna ndingusisi wakhe makafika endaweni endibona athi, yeah, you fucking embarrassed about me, fuck shit. Khuluma isilungu nami. And now umntana sekhaya khona ngizoyenza. And I'm at that point where I said, God, I've tried.
Yes.
Umuntu miyeke abe kulento akuyo. You understand? Because I really don't know. Because umntana sekhaya waqala after siswelekelwe brother ethi. You understand? I don't know what he went through. So I understand le ndaba ukuthi uthi uyofika kula point ba let things be. You just anticipate for better days. You understand? Yazi ukuthi ngoDecember phansi wanibulala.
Oh.
Lunga. Uthi ndimfunele inkabi. Mna. Ndimqashele inkabi ndifuna umbulala. Endifuna apha athi either namhlanje ligazi lami or lelakho. So, and it's those things ukuthi you ask yourself, is this voodoo? Because my brother was so smart. And then ubanalento ba isisandla somuntu esokanye is someone going through a mental breakdown and iyansebenza lanto leyana. You understand? But it's those things njengoba usitsho nawo ba you become in a point where you're waiting for better days and let them be. And ngoku yacho ne so la kuchoni langa.
Yes.
Sakubuyi komo. Lakucinga ngawe. La kuchoni langa. This is the part. Ndizohamba ndigufune ezibeni nasestradweni. Yabona makufika
ezibhedlela nasezitrongweni
ndide ndikufumane. That's me, because right now andimazibupi. That's me.
What you are saying, sometimes see my families. A family is something else difficult. My brother is against my success all the time. The first time I remember ngenza umsebenzi ekhaya for imoto benginayo 2019 of I think it was December. Thenge imoto ngizamile nami ngobunzima bami. Senza umsebenzi sihleli like as a family. Mabathi okay, everybody siye kamereni uyothandaza uyozicelela for umsebenzi kalungu ukuthi nayo abaphansi bamsikele. My brother just stood up waphuma. Xolani uyapi? Wathi angeke mina ngikwazi ukuba lapha. Wahamba. Saphahla thina abanye abasele.
Isizathu
When he came back, there were ways. Yeah, ngoba mina nginamoto, ngoba mina ngisebenza. Yes, so what is happening? You can have a brother, but what I'm gonna encourage, advise abanye abantu.
Yes.
As brothers, don't think ukuthi whenever isikhathi sakho singakafiki you are lesser than your younger brother.
Kodwa andithi kuthiwe ukuthi ilizwi lendoda engenamali
alivakali.
So maybe that's how he feels.
But it is wrong.
Do you blame him though?
I don't blame him. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you observe? Because this is what sometimes it happens in my family.
Yes.
Uba nokuthi xa omnye umntana wakho ukulifta before others. Abazali banalondo nabo.
Yes.
Did you observe how your parents treat nina bantwana ba mhlambe yena ubhuti wakho? It has nothing to do with you. It has everything how your parents are treating him and how they treating you.
That thing yokuthi why ungafani no ngoba yena umncinci kunawe.
Comparison nendaba yokuthi nje nendlela abathetha naye ngayo ihlukile nendlela abathetha nawe ngayo. Have you observed that before you become angry at your brother?
No.
Or blaming him for how he's behaving?
I did, kodwa it was based on ama mistakes wakhe.
Sonke sinama mistakes.
He was working.
Okay.
Wayekela umsebenzi ngokuthanda kwakhe.
Yes.
Bamncenga thama mbuyele emsebenzini. He was favored espanini. Who am I does? That guy even today ngabe is store manager or whatever. Baze bafuna ukubona tatakho in 3 months athola umsebenzi. But how can you be this kind of a person who hard work and everything? But January when he had to go back to school to work. Tata memncenga wathi yana kabuyela lapho. Until impilo yazama ukuthi kumshake sekayabuyela manje uhambisa ama CV they want
that opportunity comes once but it boils back to what the conversation I had nofayo ukuthi sometimes we are too quick maybe to judge without knowing what's really happening into that someone's mind. And as we chill now, but if voodoo, it does exist.
Yes.
At the moment ndithi mandifaka ama-binocular wam ndibona ukuthi mara kwasingaphi ngoku ingathi bayaprospera and benibathanda ngale yandlela leya. You know, have you thought about that?
You know what I believe in? If voodoo only works, it's like a different spirit from yours. It only works when you give it the authority over your life. If
Life, it's a reflection of what you give it to.
Danko, what in law of attraction.
Yes.
What you give is what you receive.
Yes.
So now, whenever I don't believe in voodoo, ungaza ugalele poison esihlangweni zami, and then I pray in the morning for God to protect me. Ngiyazinxiba kahle uhlangane nami estradeni baleka ngazo, and then later on ndiyozikhula nilale.
Yes.
It's because of what I believed in.
Yes.
So now abanye abantu they fail. Let's not blame Satan all the times.
Yazi
It is
lento
wrong.
etshoyo ne. Yazi ekhona buhlala ethini. Uthi there's black and there's white.
Yes.
There's no in between. Uthi before you blame the devil,
Check
you
yourself.
are responsible. Athi udevil akenzi nix emntwini.
Without
Whatever
authority,
that you
right.
do, there will be consequences. That's what he
Yes.
says.
Yes.
Do you
That is-
believe in that as well?
Yes, that is why.
Because not feeling too harsh when he says that.
That is why bengithi si-ignorant sabantu. In life, you are based on a magnetic field. Your life is a magnetic field.
Yes.
A magnet actually. And then kunama magnetic field, there are orbits.
Yes.
Positive and negative.
Negative.
It's your choice to choose negative or
When they
positive.
science, no?
Choose or positive. Yes. Choose.
Right.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Negative or positive.
Yes.
The moment isekele yakhe igcwala nga negative, you will face some consequences. Ama results are negative. The moment it is filled with positivity, ama results are positive. So now we are all like build to you choose what you want to do. It's your choice. Fana ukuzithanda, you go back to the isipili sakho endlini. Check and saying buka right. As long as you feel good for yourself.
For yourself.
Don't mind what people say on the street.
Yazi, Ilunga, for the longest time in my life, I struggled with that.
Yes.
I struggled with, I thought other people's opinions mattered until ulindo kuhlati. Do you understand how easily broken you can be?
Yes.
If you always look for validation to other people.
Yes.
I'm worried about you because you in so much ukuthi abantu bacinga ntoni ngawe.
Because those misuser. The moment
Yes.
you think about that, you will misuse
For the
yourself.
longest time, mna benifuna validation. I always wanted to be around people. I wanted them to tell me things that I wanted to hear.
Yeah.
And when they don't say things that I wanted to hear,
Feel bad.
then break her down.
And it is wrong. It is wrong because of now you are taking other people's opinion to rule over your life. Wherever you got a choice as to say, you know what, if I wear this shirt and this
Yeah.
t-shirt, I'm looking good at my own.
Yeah.
And then there is one. No, ngaba 5 abazothi namhlanje wagqoka ngathi uye shop or
Wena na.
uyaphi. There is one that oh no, umhle kanje namhlanje uyaphi.